Alright guys, so welcome to another video. So we are at Black Mountain Hunts. We'll show you around here in a little bit. First up is going to be Ryder. He's going to hunt Scimitar Oryx, and then from there, I don't know if it's going to be Courtney or if it's going to be me or Desi. We're all hunting rams. He's the only one hunting something else. He's going to hunt the big animals, so that ought to be fun. We saw him yesterday. Actually got some fallow deer behind me this morning. It's a little chilly this morning. It's probably 40s. The wind's blowing a little bit, so it probably feels like it's probably actually in the 30s.
Yeah, I think Courtney went in there and checked for you, and I think she said it was 32.
There you go.
Right at freezing?
It's right at freezing.
Look at this guy.
Wear flip-flops. But I go hunting like this, so it's no problem for me.
There's some of them right there.
There you go. So there's fallow deer, and then there's one of the eland coming up right there. Actually, those are black bucks. Those are black buck nose.
Ooh, there's a nice buck right there.
Yeah, film that fallow buck.
Oh yeah, he's nice.
Yeah, look at the black bucks running.
They saw us.
But that's a really nice fallow buck right there, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
But anyways, guys, this is where we're going to give the hunt away.
Oh, that's two of them.
So, all kinds of fun stuff. You can take and go hunt what we pay for, or if you want to upgrade to something bigger, you've got the money that we're going to put towards the giveaway hunt. You could upgrade, add some more onto it, shoot a big fallow buck like what we've seen over there. There's two of them right there, real pretty. He's always got Axis fallow aoudad. I mean, he's always got a good selection of stuff. He's got some Sika in there I've seen a couple of times. It's always fun here. I'll let Ryder and Courtney tell you, because they've never hunted here before. After the hunt, they'll probably be telling you that they're going to be coming back again and hunting again, because it is a lot of fun. So I'm going to go back inside and warm up here in a second, but I'll tell you here in a little bit about how they kind of do their hunts here. And it's really unique, because not many exotic hunting operations operate the way they do. Super nice people, so stay tuned with us. We've got probably 4 different weeks of hunts that we're going to post off of this trip, so stay tuned. It's going to be a lot of fun. Boy, that's a pretty one. Alright guys, so we are done hunting. They're cleaning up the last ram right now, my 4-horn. We have had a blast here, so we've killed a Scimitar Oryx, a Corsican ram, shot by my wife Desi. Scimitar Oryx was shot by Ryder. A real pretty painted desert ram, a Courtney shot, and then my 4-horn. So we have had a blast. I'll walk you over here and show you everything. Here is Desi's Corsican. Probably got the Scimitar and everything in the cooler.
Yeah, yes, sir.
It's been a fun time like always. And there's the 4-horn.
This coat's so cool, man.
Yeah, it is.
This coat is awesome.
So if you guys have never done exotic hunting, if you're questionable on it, come get Black Mountain Hunts a try. It's a wonderful place. People are super nice. It's so much fun it's just a lot of fun. Great off-season hunt. So I mean, here we're March. We've been out of deer season for a few months, and we all got to come have a great time, shoot some stuff, put some more meat in the freezer. Everyone's talking about coming back and what they're going to shoot on the next trip. So this will definitely be an annual thing, from the sounds of it. And if you've always been questionable, you know, on a exotic hunt, this is really the place to do it, because you can do a hog hunt, you can do the cheaper ram hunts like what Courtney went on, or goat hunts. Those can be guided, semi-guided, or not guided at all, where you leave the bunkhouse, walk into the pen, and go out and hunt and go through the terrain on your own and see what you can find. And when you find one, you shoot it. Then once the rules are, when you shoot, if you're in there by yourself, that you stay still and you send them a text message saying, hey, I just shot one, or I just took a shot, and they'll come out and help you find it. So it's a lot of fun. Highly recommend it if you guys have not been. If you want to go, this is the place to go. So thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe to our videos. We are going to be doing the giveaway for a hunt here. When we hit 1,000 subscribers, it'll either be a hog, a ram, or goat. It'll be of your choice, of course. Or if you want to take what we're going to give you and put it towards, you know, a super exotic, maybe you want to upgrade and get a monster aoudad that he's got here, you're welcome to do that and just add on to what we give to you. So, you know, share our videos, get people to subscribe. When we hit that 1,000 mark, we will tell the rules on how we're going to do the drawing. We will do the drawing on a live. We'll let you see us put all the names in and everything, so we'll tell you how we're going to do all that. We'll figure out our rules on that, so definitely do it. Thanks, guys.